Vechain at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a breakdown move after an aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that has now picked above the 0.05213, and at the time of this recording we have now lost the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart and our key area of support above the 0.04683, flipping those key areas back into resistance. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where I now believe that we have now picked in the formation of these Elliot count 5, and on today's update video I will be discussing the most significant key areas of supports that we need to pay attention to, basing my analysis on the Elliot structures and the Fibonacci's. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out Bybit, which is my go-to exchange. And you can see that on sign up you can now grab up to $50 in sign up bonuses and get a chance to earn up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses. And I will be leaving a link down in the description box that you can use for registration. Starting the video here on the 1-hour chart by first giving you a recap of what has been happening, basing my analysis on the Elliot structures. We have this Elliot structure that has been playing out from the lows that we made on the 4th of November, where you can see that we first peaked to the upside in the formation of these impulsive Elliot count 1. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of these wave 2 into the minimum pullback target areas, highlighted on the charts using this red target area, an area that we have now fully maximized and got a reaction of that target area in a move that gave us an impulse to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, in a move that has now peaked above the 0.04767. Then we got a bit of a pullback to the lower side in the formation of these Elliot count 4, and after we almost fully maximized the minimum target areas, we started another bounce to the upside in the formation of these Elliot count 5, whose minimum target areas I have been giving you using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of the wave 3, getting a minimum target area at the fib level 0.618, and that is above the 0.05412, which is an area that we are so close to fully maximizing, but there are chances that we could have a high in place in the formation of that Elliot count 5. So the most ideal scenario was that we are going to get one more new high in the formation of that wave 5, giving us a high above the 0.054. But if by any chance we continue seeing no prices in the next coming hours, then that will be suggesting that this is the high for this Elliot count 5, and we have completed this 5-wave structure to the upside, and that now means that we have completed the formation of an even larger Elliot count 1. And having seen the formation of this larger Elliot count 1, whatever we expect next is a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot count 2, whose minimum pullback target areas can be given using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, and that now gives me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the 0.03553 and the 0.03161, which is the area that I have marked here on the chart, an area that I'm expecting that Vechain is going to fully maximize in the next coming hours. So in case we continue seeing this pullback to the lower side, this is the area to watch out for. We also need to have in mind that since an Elliot count 2 is a corrective structure, we can expect to see an ABC corrective structure playing out, having the wave C fully maximizing our minimum target area down here. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the Vechain chart for the next coming hours, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.